How to turn off Safety Check on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow you to customize and manage your device's features, from display and sound to security and privacy controls. Once you're here, scroll down until you find and tap on the Privacy and Security option. This section lets you control which apps can access your data and manage your device's safety protections. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and tap on Safety Check. On this screen, you will find options like Emergency Reset and Manage Sharing and Access. In the top right corner, there is a Quick Exit button. Tapping on Quick Exit immediately closes the Safety Check screen and returns you to the home screen. Following these steps, you can easily turn off Safety Check on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.